Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is day 23 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar Series. And what have we here? You'd think it'd be easier to find when there's only like 2 doors left to open, but it still took me a second. Alright, let's see what we got here. It looks like some more dies, and these appear to be some sentiment dies and shadow layers as well. Oh, they say thank you. That's very cool. You always need a good thank you sentiment. Fun. Alright, so this is what I'm going to decide to do. I'm going to go through my already done backgrounds, and I'm going to pick out some and do a die cut inlay technique with the thank word, and then I'm going to pop up the you word. So it's going to involve me doing quite a bit of die cutting, which for your viewing pleasure, I have decided to do 99% of the die cutting off camera. So here's what I'm going to choose for my finalists. And those are alcohol ink backgrounds, and they are done on Yupo paper, which I've never actually die cut Yupo paper before, but it's kind of like plasticky if you've never used it before. So it's kind of like plastic paper. I don't know, it's weird. It's hard to explain. It feels like paper, kind of, but then it feels like plastic too. So I'm just going to kind of hodgepodge put around the word thank at the top of it, and then I'm going to leave space at the bottom for the you word. So I kind of, before I did the die cutting, I put the you shadow layer on there just to make sure that I would have enough space based on where I'm putting all the thank words. And, you know, I need to figure something out with this die cutting thing, because I always lose. See, there's my finished thing. The finished panel. Oh, and here's my kitty. I turn around and there he is sleeping. Got to add him in once in a while. So I always lose the little tiny bits, like this one doesn't have any tittles for the eyes or anything, but like that kind of stuff, the little tiny stuff that goes in the teeny tiny negative space. And so because I lost some of those pieces, I actually had to die cut them out of like similar-ish colors of cardstock, because that was the extent of that alcohol ink background. And so I just kind of had to fill in the pieces with some other cardstock. It's not noticeable unless you're super close up on the card, which I'm probably the only person who would be able to notice it. And whoever watches this video will know that I did it, even though you probably can't see in the video. So I'm using the actual words for placeholders, basically, when I stick in the negative space in all the letters, in the A and the H and the K, just so that they look like they're in the right spot. And I don't know if you can really tell here, but this was a serious struggle for me with these teeny tiny pieces. I tried using my tiny tweezers, and those didn't really help very much. And then I tried to use the pickup stick, and that didn't really help that much either. I was having a major issue here with this. I was struggling hard. I don't know if it's noticeable that much, but yes, I'm struggling. I did end up cutting out a lot of this because you don't really need to see me put all the pieces in there. But yeah, I was seriously struggling. Like, look at me here with the pickup stick. It's major struggle. I couldn't get them to stay. I couldn't get them to pick up. I don't know what my deal was. And then I bumped the camera. All right, so almost to the finish line with these bad boys. But I am, of course, going to keep the words, the thank words that I cut out. Those are definitely going to show up on another card sometime soon, hopefully. I have a giant stack of cards from this series that I've only used a couple of them because I only needed a few birthday cards during the month of December. So I don't know. I'm going to have to find some things to use these cards for that I've been making. Definitely, there's always an opportunity for thank you cards in my life. I just am the worst at actually sending cards, even though I know that I need to send them. I'm terrible at actually sending them. Is anyone else terrible at actually sending the cards they make, or is that just a me problem? Let me know down in the comments if that's just a me problem or if anybody struggles with that too. So here we are. I'm gluing the U word, which I cut the shadow layer out with silver glitter cardstock, and then I did the actual word U with some black cardstock, and I'm going to glue them together. And because there's glitter cardstock involved here, I am going to put magnets on it on the Make Art station so it holds it together, because it's going to take a little bit of effort for that to stay together, because glitter is always a struggle to get glitter paper is always a struggle to get it to adhere to other paper. Just because I think of the texture or something. That's what I'm assuming. But here we go. Here's the finished card. I think it looks amazing. It's so colorful, and using the black card base definitely helps. And I did put a white panel inside the card as well. Thank you so much for watching. Here are some more videos that you may enjoy, and please don't forget to come back tomorrow for the very last day of the Crafty Advent Calendar series. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. See you soon.